Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with PNC Business Credit Card detailed guide step by step clearly. To budget effectively with your PNC Business Credit Card, start by gathering all your financial documents. This includes past credit card statements, bank statements, and any invoices related to your business expenses. Next, assess your monthly income. Calculate your total revenue from all business operations for the previous month. Once you have your income, list all your fixed expenses. These may include rent, utilities, payroll, and any subscriptions related to your business. Now it's time to identify variable expenses. These could be costs like inventory, marketing, and travel expenses. Review your previous credit card statements to pinpoint these costs. Now, categorize your spending from the card. Use categories such as meals, travel, office supplies, and advertising. This will help you understand where your money is going. To create your budget, first allocate funds for your fixed expenses. Next, set limits for your variable expenses based on past spending. Make sure to leave some room for unexpected costs. Once your budget is set, compare it to your PNC Business Credit Card transactions. Regularly monitor your spending to ensure you're staying within your budget. Consider using budgeting software or apps linked to your business credit card. This can help automate tracking and offer insights into your spending patterns. Adjust your budget as needed based on business growth or changes in expenses. Finally, review your monthly budget performance critically. This will help you identify any areas for improvement moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.